We've all been there. Your phone rings, it's an unknown number, and you're stuck playing Russian roulette. Is it an important delivery, or is it another robot trying to sell you insurance? Well, if your Galaxy is running the new One UI 8.5 update, you don't have to guess anymore. Samsung just gave us a personal AI receptionist that will actually answer your sketchy phone calls for you. It's called AI Call Screening, powered by Galaxy AI. When an unknown number hits your phone, you don't swipe green or red. Instead, you tap Call Assist, hit Call Screening, and let the AI take the wheel. The AI politely asks the caller who they are and why they're calling. And here is the coolest part. As the caller speaks, their voice is transcribed into text on your screen in dead real time. While you sit back and read, you have absolute power. You can tap to jump into the call if it's legitimate, instantly kill it if it's spam, keep letting the AI ask questions, or just tap a preset message like, "I'm in a meeting, text me," to reply without ever opening your mouth. Now, if you're thinking, wait, hasn't Google Pixel done this for years? Yes, they have. But Samsung brought two massive upgrades to One UI 8.5 that make this version incredibly powerful. First, Auto Screen. You don't even have to look at your phone. If an unknown number calls, Galaxy AI can intercept it automatically, keeping your phone silent while it does the dirty work. Second, it integrates natively with Live Translate. If a delivery driver or a business contact calls you speaking a totally different language, Galaxy AI will translate their spoken words into text in your language on screen and translate your text replies back into their language out loud. It is seamless. If you want to turn this on right now, it takes 10 seconds. Open your phone app, tap the three dots in the corner and hit Settings. Tap Call Screening, select your language, and turn on Call Screening switch. To activate auto screen calls, opening the phone app. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Then tap Call Screening and choose Auto Screen Calls. Turn on Auto Screen Calls and select which types of calls you'd like Samsung to screen automatically. Once enabled, suspected spam, phishing attempts, and calls from unknown numbers can be screened automatically before they ever reach you. You can customize the AI's voice and even speed up its speech so it sounds less like a slow robot and more like a real assistant. Before you go try it, there are two quick things you need to keep in mind. Because the transcripts roll out in real time on your screen, they can actually show up on your lock screen. If you're sitting in a meeting with your phone on the table, anyone walking by might see what the caller is saying, so check your privacy settings. Also, make sure your storage isn't completely maxed out, or the on-device AI model might stutter. Honestly, this is one of the most practical uses of Galaxy AI we've seen yet. It stops the interruptions, it protects your time, and it completely changes how we deal with the worst part of owning a smartphone, spam. But what do you think? Are you letting an AI answer your calls, or do you still prefer to just let unknown numbers go straight to voicemail? Drop a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into One UI 8.5 features, and I'll catch you in the next one.